So yeah, I did the AB app again, second day.
How's it going?
It's just going on. You're gonna become AB model here soon.
Abtastic.
Abtastic. Yeah, there you go. Let's call it that and do another one. Good Wednesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. A couple announcements. First, happy Mother's Day to all of you lovely mothers out there, and we know you're working hard, and have a great day today and enjoy the day. Bit of sad news. Our friend and client, Mike Sternitsky, who we had mentioned before anyway, had a long time painful battle with the Chinese coronavirus, and he passed away 2 days ago. So we're sorry to see him go, and I think it just also shows that keep your pay attention, right? I mean, try to it's not over yet. The battle's not over yet, even though it seems like we have a lot less cases. So we're sorry to hear about that. We've known him when he was running Ariel Bank, and then at also where he's now at TPA, which just obviously was there last, and also he was on our president of our supervisory board for children's hospitals in Warsaw, which he spent a lot of time working on. So anyway, we're going to miss him a lot, and we'll move on from there. So anyway, I want to welcome everyone to join us on the first Coffee with Craig show live, which will be on the 16th of June at the InterContinental. Starting at 8:30 to 10:30, we'll be doing a lot of networking, a nice breakfast, and quite some exciting conversations. So we hope to see you there. Drop me an email if you'd like to attend. We'll definitely put you on the list. And so now let's just jump right into the exciting commercial real estate news from EuropaProperty.com. Winston, welcome.
Good morning, Craig.
And let's do a quick break, and then we'll be back for the news, yeah? Ladies and gentlemen, we are now preparing for the CEE region's flagship event for investors and developers, the Europa Property Investment Awards, which will be live and online October 20th and 21st. With a total of over 400 international and regional attendees, this event is not to be missed. So, welcome back. And Winston, ready for action?
Yeah, so Today we'll begin with Bental Green Oak. This is a newcomer into the Polish market, and they've acquired a logistics park in the Tri-City from 7R.
Okay.
Like I said, it's their first acquisition in Poland, and it's expanding their presence across Europe. The park consists of 3 buildings. 2 of them are already complete, around 40,000 square meters, and the third is currently under construction. We'll add an extra 10,000 square meters GLA. And the tenants, they're 80% leased, and the tenants are Polo Market and InPost. So some interesting news on the investment sector there.
Yeah,
the industrial front.
Really good. Nice, sounds like a nice project too.
Moving on, and Cornerstone Partners, the corporate and real estate private equity investment manager, together with Crestal, the Czech developer and investor, have finalised the acquisition of Poland's residential developer Budimex. So this was announced a few weeks ago.
Sure.
And today they finalised the deal. The deal is heralded as one of the largest real estate deals in Central Eastern Europe so far, or since the outbreak of the pandemic. And it's valued at around 1.51 billion Polish zlotys.
Wow, it's a lot of zlotys.
Yeah, it's a big deal. And they also announced yesterday, as we also said in the news, that Hampstead have acquired 2,500 flats to rent over the next 5-year period. So already some good business already being done.
Big.
Budimex is one of Poland's leading residential developers and has assets approaching 500 million euros. And according to Paweł Dębowski, the managing partner at Cornerstone, he says that together with Crestal, they would like to establish a significant player in the area of residential real estate. So some good news there on that market, and sales and rentals in the region are going up. And so this is the first step in becoming a major player and achieving that goal, I guess.
Yeah, it's a big step.
It's a big step, yeah. And just to close on this story, Omar Koliat, he's the Crestal Group CEO. He says that obviously he's really pleased with this transaction, and it's a huge milestone in the evolution of his company. and they're going to become a key player in residential real estate, and he predicts a bright long-term future for Poland.
Yes, me too. I also predict that.
Good. Staying with Crestal, and you might remember that they had a huge financing from Helaba and PBE recently. So Denton's advised on that deal, and that was 130 million refinancing for the Dock in Office Park complex in Prague. It's a four building complex, four modern Class A multi-tenants office buildings. And the fifth building is currently underway. It's going to have a total area of 85,000 square meters when the whole complex is complete. And commenting on the transaction, Ivan Lazar from Denton's, he says this is significant refinancing, and it's going to help their client Crestal expand and boost their development in other projects in other countries around the region.
The more development, the better.
Yeah, and moving to Hungary and Future Real, they've announced that they're going to open the largest food court in Hungary in September.
Ooh, I like that.
You
We
like
should go
that?
for the food court. Yeah.
This is part of the Itel Plaza shopping centre, which they're developing there in Budapest. And the food court will feature direct connections to the roof terrace. It's got unique interior design and a wide selection of restaurateurs already, including many popular brands that we know that are operating and expanding throughout the region. It's going to house 150 will be housed on the roof, 950 in the interior area, and apparently 1,000 people will be able to dine in the food court altogether. So it is very big.
We should do coffee with Craig in the food court for a few
you
days.
can go
when
down
it
there and do
opens up.
Hungary and
Yeah,
do coffee with Craig.
Yeah.
And it's still chance for more restaurateurs to go there.
They have some opportunities.
There's still some place to go. So something to look forward to. Moving to Poland, and MDC Squared.
Right, Hadley Dean.
They've expanded their development team there.
Okay.
And they got 3 new development directors. This is going now. The team is at 20 experienced developers, professionals there, with over 20 years experience. So they're strengthening their company, and they're going to commence two developments, or they have commenced 2 developments, with a total area of over 100,000 square meters. And just closing, Hadley Dean says that he's pleased to welcome Katarzyna, Andrzej and Adrian to the MDC Squared team, and their knowledge of the market and capabilities is first class, and it's going to enable them to expand further.
Oh, great.
And just a quick reminder for today that tomorrow, New Work and 24 or Work Cloud 24 are starting the first of their online presentations of how the workplace is going to look post COVID-19.
Yeah, it'll be very exciting.
Yeah, so if anybody would still like to sign up, please go to our website. There are links there which you can follow, and it should be an interesting online presentation.
Great. Well, thank you very much, and it was great to have you all with us today. Again, happy Mother's Day to all of you lovely mothers out there, and let's check this Ab Fantastic. Maybe we can get abfantastic.com and
do a few
register.
curls.
Yeah,
curls
maybe
with
not.
Craig.
Get someone else to do it. Yeah,
Crunches with
Craig. Yeah, you do crunches with Winston. And so enjoy the rest of the day, and we will see you all tomorrow morning.